Welcome to another episode of Let's Build Stuff. In this series, we will learn how to build fun things using building blocks and basic building concepts. In today's episode, we'll make a Scootie, which is made out of 20 pieces. So, let's build stuff. Here is what the Scootie looks like. And boy, does it look cool! And here are the different parts you need: the body and the spokes for the wheels themselves, the handle, and the axle that attaches the handle to the body. So let's go ahead and first build a handle and attach it to the body. Next, we fix the body to the spokes. Wow! So cool and so quick! Again, if you attach the screws from the top and the nut at the bottom, it just becomes easier to work with the screwdriver. Now we've got our ride almost ready, and wow, boy oh boy does it look cool! We need to attach the wheels to it. And so we plug in the wheel and put the axle through it and tighten it all together using this small cube. And then the same for the other. Now that I've made this, can you see the balance is a little bit off? That's because the back wheels are not aligned with the front wheels. No problem, we can fix this. Here's what you need to do. And yes, we've done it! Everything is aligned and away we go! Whee! Whoa, Frankie, come back with my Scootie! Never ever miss out on an update from ToffeeTV.com. Subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell.
ToffeeTV.com